Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous class, I had taught you the story, The Light on the Hills from lesson number 1. So, before going to today's class, once I recall you about what we learned before day. So, children, this is the story of a boy who was inspired by his younger sister to paint or to draw a picture. Not only he, in our 15th and 16th centuries, Italian artist Michelangelo also inspired by form of the human body to draw or to paint picture. So the boy who went with his sister in the hills side to draw the picture and compared then the boy, his younger sister is getting more interest how to draw the picture. So let's get started today's lesson. Now children, open page number 2, paragraph part 1. See the top of the line. I repeat once you just check. She answered, it makes you very strong. If you think of them, you can overcome all problems or difficulties. Means in this paragraph, his sister telling, you can make strong if you think of them. If you think about the topics of the drawing, you can make strong. You can overcome all problems or difficulties. Means to draw a picture, how much difficulties or problems you can overcome. Next paragraph. He thought for a moment, then I shall paint my picture for you, he said. I shall think of you all the time I am doing it. So children, in this paragraph, the boy is telling he thought for a moment and after he gives the answer to sister, I shall paint my picture for you. For you means for sister. I shall think of you all the time I am doing it. Whenever I do the work for doing the drawing picture, definitely I shall think about you. Next paragraph. Once more they looked at the hills that seemed to rise up out of the deep shadows into that light, and then together they went home. So once more they looked at the hills. What happened there? The seemed to rise up to the deep shadow into the light. Means it is become evening or miss evening the timing and became dark shadow, and then together they went to home. So they both brother and sister went back to home. Next paragraph. Soon afterwards a big tragedy struck in their family. One night when the family was sleeping, the little sister died her sleep. The mother explained to the brother, son, your little sister wandered into another world and journeyed on so far that she lost the clue to earth and will not be back anymore. So soon afterwards, the big tragedy happened in that family. What happened? One night, when the family all are sleeping, in midnight, the sister was died. Next month, after that, that boy mother has told, explain to that boy, son means boy, means that boy, son, no, that mother son, your little sister wandered into other world, means she is not more come back to our world, our earth, and journeyed on so far that she lost the clue to earth. How to come back to earth back, that clue she lost and will not be back anymore. She will not come back anymore. Next paragraph. The boy who was grieving for his little sister painted many pictures before he could gather the courage to see the same field that he saw with his sister. But after many years, as he sat and worked, a strange power came to him. So children, this paragraph I am explaining, the boy who was grieving, here grieving meaning feeling sad because somebody has died. Because what happened in their family? His little sister was died. So for that matter, he has painted many pictures. People who gathered courage to see the same field, same place, same the picture he saw with his sister. Whenever he draw the picture, he see his sister. But many years as he sat and worked, a strange power came to him. But after now, when sister died, he didn't get his sister, but he got the power, strange power. From where? He doesn't know. But he worked well. He did picture well. So children, next paragraph, page number 3. Open page number 3, keep finger on line. This strong feeling was like an answer to the longing in his heart. Since his little sister died, this emotion seemed to answer a desire in his heart to put into the world something which should make the meanest, humblest citizen a little happier or better. So children, in this paragraph, the strong feeling was like an answer to the longing. A longing meaning a strong wish for something. Who wish? The sister, because sister all time want my brother will draw a perfect picture, a good picture for us, for world. In his heart, since his little sister died, since how many days the sister died, after that one, a strong feeling is getting in his heart. These emotions seem to answer a desire in his heart. It is emotionally he can get in his heart to put into the world something which should make the meanest, humblest citizen a happier or better. So children, that is the meanest. Meanest, see all meanings are down, very poor. Humblest meaning belonging to the lowest social class. Whatever that low, down mentality citizen, a little happier or better. So we can get what your happiness, your better it will give. So next paragraph. At last, when he knew that his eye was true and his touch sure, he took up the picture he had promised to paint for the dear sister. So children, at last when he knew that his eyes was true, means now he is getting perfect, his eyes was true and his touch also sure, he took up the picture he had promised, what he promised to his sister, I will do well, that one he is getting now. The dear sister and worked until he was finished, up to finished, he did well that work. This is better than all he has done before. The audience said, "It is surely beautiful, for it makes one happy to look at it." Now it is getting better. The audience said, "It is surely beautiful, for it makes one happy to look at it." Whenever we look, the picture is make happiness, happy to see all. And yet my and yet my heart ached as I did it. The boy said, as he went back to the field, I thought of her all the time I worked. It was sorrow that gave me power. So, and yet my heart ached means getting pain as I did it. The boy said, what? I got some ache in my heart when I did it. And he went back to the field. I thought of her all the time. All time I was thinking about my sister I worked. It was sorrow that gave me power. I'm very sorry I'm getting that power. So next, page number 4, children. Next number, page number 4, open. Suddenly he heard a soft voice of his long dead sister speaking only to his heart. Not sorrow but love, and perfect love has all the good qualities in its gift. And from it comes all other things, all things except for happiness. So what happened? Suddenly he heard a soft voice. Whose voice? Sister voice. Only to his by heart, not sorrow but love. Means don't feel sad. With love, with perfect love, have to good qualities in his gift. It is a gift for your good qualities. And from it comes all other things. All things except for happiness. It is come from all things by happiness. How does one find happiness? Interpreted the boy. So how does one find happiness? How to get the happiness? Interpret the boy. In middle cut and telling the boy in his heart. Next paragraph. Finding happiness is a strange chase, she answered. If you want to find it for one's own self, then one must seek it for others. So if you find happiness to strange, she answered that one, my sister answered that one. If you want to find for once yourself, you can get for others also. But happiness is so difficult to seize or to find. But happiness is not easy to find. It is very difficult to find. Perfect love helps one to live without happiness. His own heart answers to himself and above all things. It helps one to work and to wait. But if it gives one happiness too, he asks eagerly, ah, then it is called heaven. So children, perfect love helps one love live without happiness. His own heart answered to himself. Means the boy, his own heart only he answered himself. And above all things, it helps one to work and to wait. But it is gives one happiness to eagerly very soon. And that is called heaven. Okay, no? So children, now you can understand this story written by Lucy Clifford. So you have to find out the new words from down and word meaning also. And if you have any doubt more, you can write in comment box. So bye children.